Welcome everyone to Crafts with Crashley's channel. Here we are going to do another unboxing. This will be the second unboxing I do for the Suicide Squad collection from Diamond Art Club. This one will be the Joker, and again it has the nice box here. It's different than what they used to have. Well, it's new to me anyway. I haven't purchased from Diamond Art Club in a little bit. If you watched the Harley unboxing before this, you would know they do send the stickers in a separate envelope now as well, which is cool, keeps them nice and crisp. So like I said, this is the second unboxing I am doing for the Suicide Squad collection. If you have not seen the Harley unboxing quite yet, I will have the link in the description below. I just recorded them as two separate unboxings. This one is, the Joker. This is another one where I was a little concerned with this background. There's so much going on. It's only like a tiny little section of it is the actual Joker. But when I open it up and look at the canvas, it actually looks pretty amazing. It is a square drill canvas. It is 70 by 70 centimeters, 53 colors. There are 4 ABs. Now, I believe that Diamond Art Club is partnering with Warner Brothers Studios because of their Harry Potter and now Suicide Squad DC releases, who is also owned by Warner Brothers. So maybe we'll see more. Who knows? I'm just taking the contents out of the box here. We will go through the toolkit, which did have some extra surprises for me anyway. Now they could have been doing these new little inclusions for a while now. I just haven't purchased in a minute. So yeah, it includes some cute tweezers that are now pink, and I have no clue what's on the end of those tweezers. That's how it came. I don't know. But the washi tape, look, there's cats on it. It's like they know me, right? So cute. I do love the plastic container their heart wax now comes in. I think that's a nice touch. It does keep the dust and the animal hair out of your wax. Keeps it nice and clean. That's pretty cool. They also send these cover minders now, and this one's so cute. It's like a blue and a pink butterfly with the nice magnets, which cover minders are used to hold the plastic back of your diamond painting when you're working on it. Yeah, this one, it was also like cheaply printed Diamond Art Club on there. And again, I don't know what that cork, I don't know, it's almost like a cork to protect you from the sharp edges, I don't know. But they are cute. They fade from pink to white. Of course, extra baggies for the extra drills. They gave me the 2 multi-placers and a dark pink pen, which is adorable. They also gave you a squishy thingy for comfort for when you're working on your diamond painting. Now, another thing that was new to me with these unboxings was the tray stopper. They have this cute glittery tray with a nice stopper in there to keep the drills from coming out by mistake. I love that. So I'm just opening up the canvas here, and I will get it as flat as I can. I'll give you an overall view of the canvas, which is quite stunning in person. Again, way better than what I thought it was going to be from just the image that they posted. I was quite impressed. The busy background is a lot of color blocking, so I think it's going to turn out pretty cool. I do like the placement of the colors. They're very vibrant, and the way they put the ABs on there, like in the lettering and in his hair, I think it's gonna look really cool. So here's the overall view of it. I will give you a close-up of the canvas itself, and yeah, you'll look at the symbols in the background. Of course, they send you these instructions. So after the close-up of the canvas, we will go through the drills and all the different vibrant colors, and you can check out those ABs as well. So yeah, enjoy! Now we will look at the drills close up. I've always been so impressed with Diamond Art Club square drills. Square drill diamond paintings are my favorite. Now, I did have to count these bags of 3 tins, and I believe there was 11, if I remember correctly. Lots of 3 tins, but as we all know that have been diamond painting for a minute, 3 tins are so nice for, outlining letters and, making other things pop. So it's all good. It's all good. There's 4 total ABs, and this one there are these white ones here. There's also a dark orange AB, a light orange AB, and a super, super cool looking green AB, which I will show you here shortly. Here is the darker orange AB. Here is the lighter orange AB. And here is that super cool green AB. There are so many vibrant colors in this painting, along with the Harley painting. Again, this is part of the Suicide Squad collection from Diamond Art Club. Here are all 3 of them that were just released. I was able to get the Harley and the Joker one here, and I plan on getting that 3rd one. Hopefully there will be more released because I'm obsessed with Harley Quinn and Joker. But I hope you all enjoyed. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new. Until next time. Bye-bye.